Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you one of the most powerful time-saving features in QuickBooks Online, bank rules. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by categorizing transactions manually, this tutorial will be a game changer. Stick with me until the end because I'll not only walk you through how to set them up step by step, but also share how they actually work behind the scenes to keep your books accurate and organized. So let's dive right in. To start, head over to the Settings menu by clicking on the little gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks. From there, choose Rules. This is where all your bank rules live. To create a new one, click on New Rule. Now give your rule a clear name. For example, if you're creating a rule for your monthly software subscription, you might call it Software Payment. Next, decide whether the rule should apply to money in, that's deposits, money out, which covers expenses and payments. You'll also want to select the bank account or credit card account that this rule applies to, or you can keep it broad by applying it to all accounts. Here's where it gets really powerful. The conditions. QuickBooks lets you tell it exactly what to look for. You can choose between the description, the bank text, or the amount of a transaction. Then set the operator like contains, doesn't contain, or is exactly. For example, if your bank text always includes Spotify, you can set a condition that says bank text contains Spotify. You can even stack up to 5 conditions for one rule if you need more precision. Once the conditions are ready, you can tell QuickBooks how to categorize those transactions automatically. That includes assigning the right expense category, linking the correct vendor or payee, and even adding custom details to the memo field. When you're done, just click Save. So how does this actually help? From now on, whenever new transactions land in your For Review tab, QuickBooks will scan them and automatically apply your rules. That means less manual work and fewer chances of errors. Plus, if you've got multiple rules, QuickBooks uses a priority system. The rule at the top of the list takes precedence. And that's it. With just a few minutes of setup, bank rules can save you hours of repetitive work each month. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.